Hello guys, today I have this 55-inch SONY Bravia Smart LED TV. The problem is widescreen and vertical lines. I turn on the TV now. Okay, so okay, vertical lines and widescreen problem. So we'll show you picture after fixing widescreen and vertical lines. Let's do it now. So I already fixed vertical and widescreen problem. Got display Sony. This is Sony 55-inch smart LED TV. This is the main board, power board, and this is stick-on board. So the problem was right side. So I blocked some gate lines CKV1, CKV2 from here, and left side okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. For any information kindly contact me.